Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use PicMa Hugs Photos Videos Lab application. So first of all you need to install it in your device, then tap on the open button. Then here you can see two photos and they are hugging each other. It's trendy nowadays, so you can use it. So simply tap on the get started. So you can see how it looks like. It's really realistic. You can see how it looks like. And next, discover better yourself, and you don't need to learn. You can see it's like a next, try now. So yellow, so I'm just going to enhance. The thing is it's not totally free, so you'll get some free and all of them are paid. So for example, I'm just going to choose. Here you will get many things: video enhance pro, watermark, eraser, sports dance, color master. So many options is here. But if you want to hug videos, then you can see option hug videos, this one. So then choose your gender, maybe your male, and click here to change gender. So you can gender and choose any one of them, and to portrait one photo and two people. So left it's you, um, confirm. So you have to give your photos here. I'm just going to choose this person, and you have to okay, you have to set it, continue, and you have to choose the right one. So I'm just going to upload choose right one. So then another model, maybe it's girls. So tap on the right one, and you have to choose that girls, and you have to set it, continue, and after that tap on the start. But it's not free, you have to buy the premium package, otherwise it's not possible.